Students, yesterday we studied the radiolysis of some aqua solutions. Today we will discuss what is actually the fecal dosimeter. This dosimeter is based on the study of oxidation of Fe2 ions to the Fe plus 3 ions. The fecal solution is obtained by dissolving 0.5 gram of more salt. What is the more salt? It is the ferrous sulfate, double salt of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, and 0.06 gram of irradiated sodium chloride. What is irradiated sodium chloride? The sodium chloride which has been exposed to the radiations, and 22 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid in distilled water. The dissolved air must be present here and making the volume to 1 liter. So, what is actually the fecal solution? It is the solution of more salt with sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid having the volume 1 liter. Here, sodium chloride star stands for irradiated sodium chloride. A portion of this solution is taken in a thick container and exposed to gamma radiations for certain period of time, so that Fe2 plus ion are oxidized to Fe3 plus ions as per mechanism given earlier. Now, what are the hydrated electrons? Electrons produced by any means when dissolved in water or sometimes in liquid ammonia. When they are dissolved in liquid ammonia, they are called ammoniated electrons. What are hydrated electrons? Which are dissolved in water, and ammoniated electrons are which are dissolved in liquid ammonia. They are solvated like any other ion. This phenomena was first observed by Weil, W-E-Y-L, in 1864 by observing intense blue color when sodium was dissolved in liquid ammonia and named them ammoniated electron, as I have just told you, and they are designated as electron in bracket ammonia outside X. With the development of the technique of pure radiolysis, now it has been possible to detect hydrated electrons in the radiolysis of water. Now, next is Hart and Boag's experiment, HART and BOAGS. Using microsecond pulse of 10 million electron volt electron, Hart and Boag obtained the existence of hydrated electrons as a separate species of matter with an absorption spectrum of its own and other characteristic properties. The hydrated electrons were produced in high concentration in a quartz cell during the short duration of the pulse. Now the mechanism or the schematic diagram of this is shown here. Here, small m represents a mirror, X represents xenon arc, Q represents a lens, R represents radiation pulse, Q represents quartz cell with water, M represents monochromator, S represents shielded photomultiplier, A represents amplifier, O represents oscillator, and C represents polarized camera. Now, these were traversed normally by light from a bright xenon arc, the cell walls being mirrored to effect multiple reflection to increase the light path. The resulting beam was then analyzed by a monochromator M set at about 720 nanometer, which is the lambda max for hydrated electrons. And finally, it reaches a shielded photomultiplier whose amplified signals were recorded. The absorption intensity decreases with time due to decay. And this is shown by electron aqueous converting into H plus OH aqueous minus, followed first order kinetics. Now, other methods of obtaining hydrated electrons are when sodium is dissolved in water, then we get electron aqueous plus sodium plus ion aqueous. Similarly, when mercury is dissolved in water in presence of the sunlight, it gives electrons aqueous plus mercury aqueous. Iodide ion, when irradiated with photons in water, they give us electron aqueous plus 0.5 I2 or half I2. Now, what are the properties of the hydrated electrons? The hydrated electron is a distinct species associated with 3 or 4 or 6 water molecules with a charge of -1 and a mean radius of 0.25 to 0.3 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power -9 meters, and with a characteristic spectrum. It is considered the basic conjugate of the hydrogen radical in aqueous solution as shown in the following equation. Here H, when converts into electron aqueous, the pH is greater than 5, and when electron aqueous converts into H, the pH should be less than 7. It means H is in the acid form and electron aqueous is in the basic form. Some of the properties of aqueous or hydrated electrons are their lambda max is near about 720 nanometer, mean life is near about 230 microsecond at a pH of 7, and it is near about 780 microsecond when the pH is greater than 7. And their decay products are when hydrated electrons are decayed, they give us H plus ion plus OH minus aqueous ion, and electrode potential of this particular half cell is E naught. E electron plus H plus converting into H is near about minus 2.77 volt at near about 25 degree Celsius. So this is the all about the hydrated electrons, their formation and their characteristics. Thank you.